The Camel and the Baby. Once upon a time, in a vast desert with golden sand stretching as far as the eye could see, there lived a kind and gentle camel named Zara. She had a beautiful baby camel named Omar, who was full of curiosity and always asked questions about the world around him. One afternoon, as they rested under the shade of a lonely palm tree, Omar looked up at his mother and asked, "Mother, why do camels have humps on their backs?" Zara smiled warmly and replied, "Ah, my dear Omar, our humps store fat, which helps us survive in the desert for days without food and water. The desert can be harsh, but our humps give us the strength to keep going." Omar nodded, but still had more questions. "Mother, why do we have such long legs and big padded feet?" Zara chuckled. "Our long legs keep us high above the hot sand, and our wide feet prevent us from sinking. This helps us walk easily in the desert, no matter how deep the sand is." Omar thought for a moment and then asked, "And why do we have long eyelashes and thick eyebrows?" Zara gently nuzzled her baby and said, "Our long eyelashes and thick eyebrows protect our eyes from the sand when the wind blows. Without them, the desert's harsh storms would make it hard for us to see." Omar was fascinated and felt proud of the special features camels had. But after a while, he frowned and asked, "Mother, if we have all these wonderful gifts that help us live in the desert, why are we kept in a zoo instead of roaming free?" Zara sighed deeply and looked at her son with gentle eyes. "My dear Omar, you ask a wise question. We were meant to live in the open desert, but sometimes people keep us in places that are not our true home. But no matter where we are, we must always remember who we are and what we are capable of." Omar listened carefully and realized that even if they were in a zoo, he and his mother still carried the spirit of the desert within them. He smiled and said, "One day, Mother, I hope we can walk freely on the golden sands." Zara nuzzled him again and whispered, "One day, my dear, we will. But until then, never forget the strength within you." Moral of the story: every creature has unique qualities that make them special. No matter where life takes you, always remember your true strengths and potential.